you've stated that initially he was a little bit uncooperative, but later he began to cooperate.
No, not really. It's hard to explain. He did what I asked him to do, but yet he would not perform field sobriety tests. When I asked him for his license and insurance, he gave them to me. When I asked him to step out of the vehicle, he did so. When I asked him to take field sobriety test, he did not want to take those. At that point, I explained to him that that's the only way I can, you've told me you've had 3 or 4 drinks. I smell alcohol in your breath. He did have the bloodshot, glossy eyes. At that point, it's my duty to make sure he's safe to be on the roadway for him, his passenger, and the public. Based on his driving, I didn't think his judgment was very good, almost cutting me off. I asked him to step out. I explained to him that's the only way I can determine whether or not you're safe to drive. He then took the HDN, a horizontal gaze nystagmus test, but then when I asked to do the other ones, he said there's no need in it and would not perform those tests for me. And then, of course, at the detention center, he would not submit to a breath test.